In this tutorial, I'll show you how to only capture your game's audio inside of OBS Studio. Now, this is a great trick if you want to listen to your music or other audio while playing games without it being heard in your recordings or streams. So let's get straight into it by heading over to OBS Studio. And what you need to do is come down to this sources section in the bottom here and select this add symbol. Come over to application audio capture. Give this capture a name. So I would recommend just giving it the title of your game plus audio. So for me, I'm going to type in Age of Empires audio, click on OK. Then from this window, we just need to select our game where we want the audio recording from. Now you'll need to make sure you have your game open in the background. I'll go ahead and select Age of Empires. You can leave the window match priority as default and click OK. Then if we come down to the audio mixer here, you can see we have our game's audio inside of here. Now what you need to do in here is just mute any of the tracks that we don't want recording. So for example, the desktop audio, I'm going to go ahead and mute that. And you'll also probably want to mute your microphone as well. I'm just going to leave mine unmuted for the time being as I'm recording this video. So you should be left with just your game's audio inside of here. And once you've got your game's audio track, come over to these three vertical dots, click on Advanced Audio Properties, and then over in your game track, just make sure you have number 1 checked here and close out of this window. And then we're going to come over to OBS settings in the bottom right hand side. Come over to output from the left hand side, and you need to scroll down and just make sure audio track 1 here is checked. And you also want to uncheck all of these other tracks, and then just press apply and OK. And then if you wanted to capture your game's video footage as well, obviously we can do that just by coming over to add new source and selecting either window or game capture. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you capture only your game's audio inside of OBS. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.